Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy you are with me. So today we are going to do a beautiful, gorgeous teal and purple summery vibes makeup. I found this beautiful creation on Pinterest and I really love it. The girl in this makeup is blonde and have very light eyes, and I was curious how this makeup could look on me, so this is what we are going to do today. So with any further ado, let's start. So I have eyebrows on, face is fully moisturized, so let's start with a primer. And today I'm going to use Unicorn Tears by Vibo, and this is a Polish brand. So I'm going to do an Instagram drip. I see that her skin isn't like very over the top glowy, so I'm going for this natural semi-matte finish. So I'm going to use today a mix of two colors, Bourjois Healthy Mix Foundation, 52 Vanilla and 54 Beige. And I'm going to blend it out with a lovely sponge, and I'm really impressed with that sponge. It's really good. Okay, foundation is laid down and now it's time for concealer, and today I'm going to use Belle Hypoallergenic Cover Eye and Skin Concealer, and this is in shade 20 Light. Now we have to lock everything in, but not too much. So I'm going to use two different brushes instead of a beauty sponge to have more of diffused layer of powder and not, you know, put in. So I'm going to use Zoeva Powder 106 for face and Inglot 4SS for under eyes. And as a powder, lovely mineralless skin... what? Lovely mineralless powder skin beautifier sweet kissing powder. Oh my god. Okay, it's a powder, loose powder from Lovely. So I'm going to grab a little bit of powder, put it into a brush, then tap it, almost everything. And what's left, this is what I'm going to use to set the eyes. And before contour and a blush, I'm always putting a highlight first, and on the photo I see that she has more of a golden highlight, so I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked highlighter in Golden Lights. Maybe I put a little too much highlight, but it was intense, okay? This is not my fault. This is not my fault. Now it's time for contour slash bronzer. And again, on the photo, I don't see much bronzing going on. I see only a hint of blush, but she has something going on. So I'm going to use my Secret Face and Body Bronzing fuck. Those names. It's a bronzer, okay? We have to have 40 lines of name. Jesus. Okay, is that enough? I don't know, I love bronzer. Okay, maybe a little bit more. And now the blush. And again, on the photo, she has really peachy one. So I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette. And from this palette, I'm going to use this really orangey, peachy blush. don't know why my blush looks so ridiculous on camera every time, but believe me, in person it looks really nice. It's more of intense side, but not like clown-like. Okay, face is done. Now it's time for the eyes. Hello. She has beautiful teal upper lid, so we need good base for it. And I'm going to use Jeffree Star lipstick in Breakfast at Tiffany's. I squeezed it on the back of my hand and I'm going to use synthetic random brush to apply it.
Love this color. Oh my god.
I am excited for this look. I love this color. And I'm going to use Sigma Diffuse Crease E38. And before adding a bronze to the crease, we are going to set this color, and I'm going to use beautiful Sigma Cream de Couture palette. Ooh, this is your bitch when it comes to pastel colors. Oh my goodness, and they are so creamy. I love it. I really love this palette. And I'm going to use Creme de Menthe with Sigma E60. Now it's time for the crease, and it's just brown. So I'm going to use a mix of colors here. The brown I'm using is Faith from Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics. Okay, I feel like this bronzy color is a little bit too neutral, so I'm going to use something a little bit warmer. Some, again, Sigma palette, Café au lait and Ginger Pumpkin. And now it's time for a beautiful lilac. I'm going to use a mix of Casey's Lavender Honey and Violet Whip from Sigma Creme de Couture palette. Okay, we need to line our eyes with Teal eyeliner and tight line with black. Eyes are done. I am so happy. Now it's time for Peachy Lips and we are done. I'm going to use Eye of Horus by a lipstick in Freya and line them with Golden Rose Emily 211 liner. I used also a Smashbox Instamatte because those lipsticks were creamy, and that's it. I really like this look, and to be honest, I was a little bit anxious because I didn't know if I can pull it off, because I don't have gorgeous eyes as this girl. I'm not blonde, so I didn't know how this would look on myself, but I love it. I love the teal, I love this lilac underneath, I love this peachiness going on. Of course, I love the highlight. And really, I'm feeling this look. So leave me a comment if you like it, if you're gonna recreate it, or maybe for you it's hideous. Just leave me a comment, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.